All right, everyone. I have looked at a few extra density practice activities that I didn't give you, but I wanted to do the math on it for you, okay? So this first worksheet has you look at density, or has you solve for mass, or has you solve for volume. I plugged in a few. Follow along. The best thing you can do when you read a word problem is to label what you are given and what you're not, to then figure out which way you need to rearrange your equation. I just did these four fairly quickly, plugged my numbers in, and did my math. If you have questions, please send me a message and let me know. All right, on the second one, it gives us a lot more options of what to solve for, even so far as you can go through and do the math and then identify them with some of the substances up at the top, similar to how you did in the mystery cube activity. Again, we wrote down our formula for each one, we defined the variables that we had, we plugged it in, and then we came up with an answer. And don't forget, an answer has to have a unit. It's kind of like its clothes. In this last one, this activity went over a density column. Pardon my poor cube, that blue blob up there. I found the density for each thing, figured out where it would sit in the graduated cylinder. Remember, we did this demo in class, sort of. And then we've got some examples. Again, this is a quick video. You need to do the math for yourself using what I've written down, try some of the ones I didn't do, and then go from there. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.